Naghahanap ka ba ng affordable property na malapit lang sa Metro Manila? Na flexible ang payment terms at pwede to Pag-ibig financing? At with complete world-class amenities at pet-friendly? Hi guys, I'm Mark Dumbaldo from Solid Investment Realty and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we will check this affordable and amazing property at Cainta Rizal. It is a European-inspired condominium, the Cinta Enclaves. The Cinta Enclaves is owned and developed by WIT Community Developers Incorporated and is located at the heart of Cainta Rizal. It is just near Ortigas Avenue Extension kaya sobrang accessible to going to Metro Manila. Malapit lang din to sa itatayo na MRT4 project kaya sobrang smart investment for value appreciation. So come on, samahan nyo ako at puntahan ang Cinta Enclaves. So we are here na at Cinta Enclaves and at my back right now, this is building number 1. They already reached the top. So turnover niya is napakalapit na din, which is next year, 2025. Come on, let's go inside. So this property is 7,000 square meters. So napakalaki ng lot area nito. It consists of 4 buildings. So ito nga yung building number 1. Then building number 2 will be right here. 3, then 4 dito. So for building number 1, next year na yung turnover niya. While for number 2, that's 2026. Building number 3 is 2027. While building number 4 will be 2028 yung turnover. So guys, ito yung aerial view ng Cinta Enclaves. So here. So ito yung mga buildings natin. So building number 1 will be the Vida. 2 is the Hermosa. 3, ito yung Luminosa. Then number 4 is the Mona building. So dito magkakaroon tayo ng iba't ibang view. So first we have the mountain view. So napakaganda niya. We have the city view, yung Ortigas and Makati skyline. Then we have also yung Cabao's view natin. Okay, for the amenities, sabi ko nga complete yung amenities dito. We have a world-class lobby. Yan siya. We have swimming pool. Multi-purpose court, so may basketball court. Then pwede din convert it to volleyball court or tennis court. We have gym. Yoga room, playground for your kids, and meron tayong resto bar. Then for the unit types, we have here iba't ibang klase. So first we have the studio, which they can convert into a dorm type room. We have the 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom. So later, papasukin naman natin for you to check it. Marami ding options for unit types dito, like studio and 1 bedroom. Yan, so iba't iba yung size nila. So depende yan sa preference niyo kung alin. We also have here 2 bedroom unit and also pwede din mag-combine ng dalawang studio to make it 1 or 2 bedroom din. Then ito yung maganda dito guys, yung loft type nila which is very limited lang. Yan, so 1 bedroom loft type to. 30.68 square meters. This will be the sample of their loft type unit here. Maganda din dito guys is low density lang ang kanilang community. So 24 units lang to per floor and 4 buildings lang na up to 10 floors. So let's check na yung mga units sa loob. So for safety purposes, we're wearing this helmet. Come on, let's go! So ito yung hallway nila guys, so napakalawak na ito. And of course, equipped din tayo ng mga fire extinguisher, alarm system, water sprinkler for security purposes. So first, check natin tong 22 square meters na studio unit nila. Let's go! Ayan, so upon entering, this will be your kitchen countertop. So pwede natin ilagay yung washing machine nyo dyan. We have overhead shelves. Then adjacent to that is your toilet and bath. Yan. So napaka-spacious din ang toilet and bath natin. Then dito, pwede tayo maglagay ng ating living area and dining area natin. Then ito yung bedroom natin. So we can put a partition dito kung gusto nyo may pintuan to convert it into one bedroom. Then kagandahan sa kanya, meron itong access into balcony, which is nasa 2 square meters yung balcony natin. Kagandahan dito guys, napakataas sa kanilang ceiling at 3.5 meters. So, pwede talaga kayo dito mag-loft type. So this one naman guys, studio unit din to, which is ito naman yung dorm type nila. So kung gusto niyo magpa-bed space or magpa-rental, ito yung possible na pwede niyo gawing layout or gayahin. And so we are entering yung dorm type na studio unit nila. Same naman nun sa kanina. Yung mga basic fittings natin for the toilet and bath, kasama na yan. Then dito, naglagay siya ng 2 bunk bed. So, kasya yung 4 na tao or 4 na renter kung kayo po is magpapa-bed space. So, they still have room dito or space for their like office nila or study table. So, meron din siya dito access to the balcony. Ayan guys, so kahit naka-bunk bed ka, mataas pa din. So enough pa din yung space, di pa din mauuntog yung renter or yung matutulog sa taas. Then last guys, ito yung nagustuhan ko dito, yung kanilang combined unit. So ito sa total area of 44 square meters. So kinumbine yung 2 studio. So napaka-spacious na ito. They can convert it into 2 bedrooms, but for this model, 1 bedroom lang siya, may living area na malaki. Then, 2 yung toilet and bath. Ayan. So, dito, naglagay kasi siya ng kanyang living area, which is may access yan going to balcony. Then, ito yung kanyang dining area. Then, let's check the bedroom, guys. Ayan, so napaka-spacious. Meron din tong access going to the balcony. At kagandahan dito is naglagay sila ng walk-in closet. Then of course, meron tong sariling toilet and bath. So guys, you should take advantage of their pre-selling promo. They have here low down payment promo. So from 10 to 15% lang yan. Then flexible payment terms pa, stretch up to 45 months for building 4 for as low as 8,000 monthly. So if you're interested to know more about this property and kung gusto niyo magpa-schedule ng free site viewing, contact us. Andyan yung aming mga contact details on your screen. Please do subscribe guys and thank you for watching. Again, I'm Mark Jumbaldo from Solid Investment Realty. And laging tandaan, lamang ang madaming alam. Yes sir!